Hey, what's up? How you doing? Here I am again with one Sony digital audio tape deck DTC-A8. And as you can see, we can see the cover is removed. We can see what's going on inside. And we're gonna test it a little bit with this door removed because it looks sexy, huh? Right? So yeah, I recorded one great, really good tape with a Latin music, samba, probably some of it's Cuban, Puerto Rico, who knows? But it's a good tape. So we're gonna test it. How it goes. It's just testing the d.a.t. New track. Copyright, here I come. Just look how good it works. When I press play, puff. It was like maybe even faster than CD. I think it's even faster than a CD. If you would skip a CD and press play. Tell me, I think it's faster. This is like an electronic vehicle. Tesla. Oh. Bam. So yeah, I just want to test it because it's working just fine. And yeah, I did properly recorded this tape, and now I'm gonna try to use like this digit 15 play. It's gonna go and from track number 11 go to track number 15. So yeah, that is working just fine. That's why I wanted to demonstrate how it looks when it's working just fine. Yeah. And you can test this. Fast forward. Rewind. Over the head, of course. All works fine. So what I did, I recorded like a couple of maybe 2 or 3 CDs on this d.a.t. that I'm gonna include with this sale because this is really powerful recording. I'm demonstrating it on my Bauer & Wilkins vintage speakers. The music is really something, and if you are recording it like I did from a CD to d.a.t. with a coaxial digital cable, then all the quality is still kept on, and everything is the same quality like it would be on the CD. Yeah. So if you're a lucky winner of this A8 that is working perfectly fine, I guess you're gonna enjoy this tape that I perfectly recorded and I selected. Let's say I took 3 Latin jazz CDs, some of it of more Latin, but yeah, you can hear a New York noise in background. Someone is celebrating something. It's good because they are not killing each other. So I'm back. I'm hoping that I'm gonna record this video till the end because my phone Pixel 5a is not working good on 4K 60 frames, but still I was able to test this unit properly. It's working very good. I'm very satisfied because it's working very good with 120 minutes tapes, and I did test it with many other tapes recorded on Panasonic, Tascam. Last time I recorded it, it was without the cover and the rack mount. You can see the cover is very scratched, a lot of scratch on the top. I'm not gonna hide it, and this is also the scratch. You can remove it, but display is clear. And the unit is working perfectly fine. And since it has 4 direct drive motors and stuff like that, you can be assured it's a very good working unit. Since I can do all this stuff without problems, then you know that you're gonna have a very good working unit. So you can transfer your d.a.t tapes to your computer or record new tapes, as I did. This is freshly recorded tape that is working just fine. And I like this kind of music, so that's why I'm gonna include this tape so you can test it before you can use your tapes. I guess some of you will put it in your rack and use it as your primary d.a.t recorder player. So yeah, it's working very nicely. It's good to have all those comments here because on the some other units you don't have all those digits, so you cannot directly access the tape like I would do here. Let's play number 8. Now we are on 6. We are going on number 8. So yeah, the d.a.t is properly indexed, so that's why it's working just fine. Alright, take care. See you next time. Enjoy your HiFi.